So today I'm going to be showing you on how to add a random spawn system into your game, and I have these 3 levels of grass to test it with: short, medium, tall, and all scripts in the video that are mentioned are in the Discord server, so join it. It's in the description and in my bio. Comments are disabled, so if you need help, join the Discord server, and yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see, if I reset, so if you're in your little shooter game and you want to respawn in a random place, it's a very simple, easy process. I spawn at the medium grass, and if I die again, I can spawn anywhere. So I spawn at the medium grass again, so it's just randomized. So let's get into it. So first things first is you want to go to your workspace and then add a folder, and then name that folder random spawns, exactly like this. So essentially just exactly like that. And then you're going to want to make your parts, these will be your spawns. So you want to just move these, and for testing purposes I'm gonna make them different sizes. So just select them all, make sure to anchor them or they'll go through the floor. So I'll make this one taller, I'll make this one wider, I'll make this one like more of a line, and then name these spawn 1, make the next one spawn 2, make the next one spawn 3. Now add all these spawns into your folder, and then go to server script service and then make a script. Just name it whatever you want, so I'll just name this random spawn system. Then go in the Discord server and then copy this script right here. So boom, and then just add it in here, and then you should be all set. Now when you click play, as you can see, I landed on the wider one, I respawn and die. The next one I go to is going to be the longer one, and if I respawn, it could be any other one. Once I do it, make sure to like and subscribe for more content, join the Discord server obviously, and then give me more suggestions, tell me what I should do, and yeah.